We have right blinker, and we have absolutely nothing for the left blinker. ...2006 Honda Accord. Yeah, 180,000 miles, running well. However, we have right blinker, and we have absolutely nothing for the left blinker. I'm not getting any clicks on the relay. The lights don't light up. And let's check for flashers. We're getting the same thing. I think we're not getting any power whatsoever on the left side of the flasher relay. I'm guessing it's the relay. Who knows? So we're gonna remove the relay, probably buy another one. I think they're pretty cheap. Let's get started. So another reason I think it might be the flasher relay is that when I lock the car, the light blinks. So the light does have power, the bulb is good. I think, again, I'm not hearing any of the clicks, and I'm not even getting a fast blink, which would suggest a bad bulb. And again, on the right known good side, same thing. I get the flash when I lock, and similarly when I unlock. So we know at least the wiring is good. We don't have like a bad ground, I don't think. Let's get that relay out. I usually like buying some of these repair manuals. They're pretty handy because the manual that comes with the car doesn't really tell you where this relay is. So Honda Accord 2003-2012, good. So we're gonna look up turn signal. There we go. Turn signal, hazard flasher relay, check and replacement is exactly what we want. Section 12.5. And here we go, we start reading about our relays, which is great. And then here we have the location. It's on the left side by the driver footwell. And so let's open that panel up. And we can see that the fuse box on the inside, there are some relays above it, but the flasher relay is indicated by the arrow. It's above even that. Okay, under the footwell, first thing we're going to do is, here's a screw right here that holds this bottom piece of trim that you see here. We just need to remove this. So this panel, I think, just pops out. There you go. So that's good. Is there another screw? Oh yeah, we've got another one up there. I don't think removing this panel is necessary, but you'll see, I think it might give us a little bit more room and visibility. Or not, I don't know. This is not really working the way I thought. Okay, maybe we'll skip that. Well, we have the fuse panel here. That, and what we're looking for, as we saw in the diagram, is above the fuse panel and above some other relays, and we can see it. it is. That's the gray box at the top. That is our flasher relay. I know it's the relay because I put the ignition on, turned on the working signal, the right signal, and by placing my finger on that relay, I can not only feel it clicking, I can hear it clicking. So now we need to remove that. Might be hard to get you in here. I don't know if we can see anything anyway, but oh, I think I just snapped that. Oh, maybe this just wasn't necessary. Okay, got the relay. I think I need a small screwdriver. Okay, what I'm attempting to do is lift the tabs that are around these little angled protrusions. You can see in the picture that there is a tab here, and I'm going to use the screwdriver to pry it away from the flasher relay, so that way I can remove the relay. Oh yeah, I definitely snapped the left tab. I think I'm gonna need like a pair of pliers. What the hell? A pair of channel locks. Ah, out. We're looking here at an Omron D75 quadruple 05-0. Went to the local auto parts store and they had a replacement relay, Durlast. This is the model number, and I'm pretty sure it's going to work. You know, these model numbers never really match up sometimes, which is a little annoying. But what we can see here is that it is pretty much spot on. Replacement, 6 pins. It's got the raised bar, the clips, secure it, and more importantly, as the old one, I was able to check and verify that that we've got 27 watts, max 4 bulbs, DOT. I mean, it's got all the same It's got all the same specs. 12.8 volts. Yeah. We're going to pop this new one in and see if everything works. So this can only go in one way. You can see that not only is the plug offset, but there's also a key indent here, or this protrusion. So it can only go in one way. And the way it was pulled out, this raised bar was facing the rear of the car. So this should just be able to go straight in. And it's in. Okay, let us get the key in. Right blinker. Moment of truth. Left blinker. All right. I think we fixed it. Wait. Left blinker on. And we have blinkage. If I can fix it, so can you. Gotta put these panels back on. Alright, so that the end of here, it's right on to like, there's like a peg right back there. You just kind of see it. Just rests right on there. And then that's one down. And remember this cover, the way the clips are oriented, we just line them up and push straight forward towards the front of the car. That's it. That's in. I'll place the screws. That we removed. That's good. And this guy was up in here somewhere. And lastly, we had some of these covers that were like here. And okay, now we're done.